Western Massachusetts Slate Repair Expert. Call the Western Massachusetts Slate Repair Expert, Mitch Hawkins of Hawkins Roofing. Please give Mitch a call at 413-774-6834, the best slate repair roofer in the Pioneer Valley. Best known for attention to detail and dependability, if you need a slate checkup on your roof, valley, or chimney repair, you must call Mitch Hawkins at 413-774-6834. Mitch is fully insured, offers free roof inspections, and will give you an honest report on your roof's condition. For Western Massachusetts Slate Repair Expert Services, call Mitch Hawkins of Hawkins Roofing at 413-774-6834. Mitch can also help you with snowbelt to help avoiding ice dams in our harsh New England weather. Snow and ice removal as well. Mitch Hawkins, the Western Massachusetts Slate Repair Expert.